Well, actually, I wouldn't say no matter what. Hello and welcome to Promenade Française, the place where you will be learning French. Today we are officially launching the first week challenge. If you have never learned French before, or if you tried to learn French before and you didn't succeed, welcome aboard. Right now, I do not speak French. And over the course of the next year, you're going to watch me from zero to hero. This all begins with the first 28 sentences. If you click the Linktree link above, then you will be able to find a blog article. The blog article contains a link, and the link contains all of the information you need to begin this challenge. First, there's a table that tells you the 3 things you must do to learn the 28 sentences. The first thing that you need to do to learn the 28 sentences is listen to the audio file. The second thing that you need to do to learn the 28 sentences is click the link to the Quizlet vocabulary. And the third thing that you need to do to learn the 28 sentences is follow the day-by-day challenge. Each day, there is a section where you need to write the sentences. At the end of the first week challenge, you will have written each of those 28 sentences at least 20 to 30 times. You will have learned all the flashcard vocabulary in the Quizlet link, and you will have listened to the audio at least once or twice a day. That's all it takes to learn the first 28 sentences. Are you ready? So, in that link, you're going to find those 3 resources: the audio file, the Quizlet link, and the documents where you're going to write sentences. All right, that's the first thing. The second thing is to pay attention to 2 more tables. One table, it shows those 3 things. And it also tells you Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So, next week on Monday, you're going to write down how much time you spent listening to the audio. You're going to write down how much time you spent working with the vocabulary on Quizlet. And you're going to write down how long it took you to write each sentence 15 to 20 times. That could be almost an hour. Are you prepared to set aside 1 hour each day next week in order to learn 28 sentences? I am. If you'd like to challenge me to see who can learn the 28 sentences, then go ahead and click the Linktree link above. Go to the blog article and then find the link in the blog article that gives you those resources. Sounds confusing? All right, so next week, no matter what, I am going to learn those 28 sentences. Well, actually, I wouldn't say no matter what. But next week, I'm going to use this method of listening and working with Quizlet and writing those sentences in order to learn 28 sentences in French. These are my first 28 sentences. If you would also like to learn 28 sentences in French, then go ahead and join me in the first week challenge.